Hi everyone, this is Charlene, and I have a little journal here to share with you. This is a TN size journal, probably about 8 1/4 by 4 1/4. It's made with a soft cover, meaning like layers of cardstock. And this is made from a journal kit called Child's Play, Kate Greenaway Child's Play. And this kit is available on PorchSwingDesigns.net or PorchSwingDesigns Etsy from Mary Lou Fallows. And so we'll just take a little peek through. I have it tied with this stretchy lace that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'll set that right here, and I'll make sure that I'm in frame. So this is how it looks. This is the back and the front and the top. So anyways, we'll just take a little peek inside. Everything in here is from her kit, or it is coffee dyed paper and lace. So here it says this journal belongs to, and a place to put your name, and then it says Child's Play. So throughout it has poems by Kate Greenaway, and then it's got lots of lined paper. This has all been coffee dyed. I've got a little glassine bag here with an image on the front and a journal card on the inside. It's not really inked around. I didn't do a lot of inking in this one. And then here's a belly band. Oh, and I did do some punching with Martha Stewart. And it has a really pretty little Kate Greenaway poem. So then we have, oh, excuse me, I made a little pocket here with a postcard and a journal card. And I cut some flowers out of the kit and glued on the pages. So here's another one of the kit. It says Kate Greenaway poem. I'm not going to keep saying Kate Greenaway because that's everything in the whole journal. There's really nothing else. So here's a pretty little digi page. And I have a little pocket here, a little tuck pocket. Isn't that cute? They're on a seesaw. And a little image that I glued up there. Here's another little pocket with a tag and a doily. I put some lace here in a little tiny pocket with a little tiny journaling paper. Isn't that pretty? I like the colors in this. And I like that it has lots of lined paper. And then I left some of these plain so that you could journal. And it lays really flat. Oh, this is an envelope with a little journal paper in it. I'm going to put this in with a paper clip right up here. So sorry, I've got such bad allergies. And then some more printed paper with the lines. I put a little image here. And this is a little side tuck with a couple journal cards. Cute little images. The other side of the doily. I love the polka dot paper. And then this is an envelope that I have just another journal card in. Usually my journals are more eclectic with a lot of different things, but this one has the same theme all the way through, and it was really fun to do. And then I have this little diagonal tuck spot with a couple of journal cards and some lace. I put a lot of lace in this. Oh, this I'm going to cut these into hearts and put them on the end of the strings here, so it'll be there'll be hearts on a string there. And some more lined paper. I have a top tuck here. Oops, the lace turned out. There we go. And there's some, oh, I just love that polka dot paper. More journaling. Here's a little pocket with a journal card. Some lined paper. Here's a little side tuck, or it's actually a big pocket. And then I put some lace on the edge of the postcard. More journaling. Here's another little bottom pocket with some paper to write on. And a belly band right here with some journaling paper. And a little side pocket here. And another envelope with a journal card, larger one, and a smaller one. Some lined paper. There's a little round pocket with a journal card, and then one of her, oh, this is a different one. But it's all from the same kit. Then I have two pockets, one here and one here with some tickets in them. And then here's the other side of the glassine bag. And I have a journal card in there. And this is the back. So this is a journal. This will be in my Etsy shop, and that'll be listed below. And please check out her Etsy shop, Porch Swing Designs, and her PorchSwingDesigns.net is where she sells her journals, beautiful journals. So anyways, this is it, and I want to thank you all for watching. Take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.